Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into QQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, 17th July 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since May 3rd, 2024, our system has ranked QQQ as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.38. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 10.63% since we first listed QQQ as a buy candidate 51 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.21% per day since it was listed as buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 18.64% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 18.64% and 25.47%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a 34.21% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 21.48% and 40.83%. This translates to a price range of $585.27 to $678.48 after a year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for QQ ETF Price After Wednesday Trading. The QQQ ETF price fell by negative 2.94% on the last day, Wednesday, 17th of July, 2024, from $496.34 to $481.77. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 1.47% from a day low at $481.70 to a day high of $488.80. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days, but is still down by negative 1.07% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 30 million shares, but on falling prices. This may be an early warning, and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 55 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $26.66 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of ETF was $503.52, and the lowest price was $342.35. Currently, the price is 4.32%, or $21.75, below the 52-week high of $503.52, which is also the all-time high for ETF. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 10, 2024, and so far it has fallen negative 4.21%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning, and the ETF should be followed more closely. Some positive signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The QQQ ETF holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the ETF, giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the ETF will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $494.53. On a fall, the ETF will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $477.72. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 52 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 47 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 53 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 163 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $450.71 and $424.45. There is a natural risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the ETF then may fall to the next support level. In this case, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $450.71. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $424.45 and $414.65. In general, the ETF tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low in this stock. During the last day, the ETF moved $7.10 between high and low, or 1.47%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 1.61%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $485.06. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $450.71. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $457.08, 4.98% decrease. This ETF has low daily movements, resulting in lower risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top identified 60 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? Several of the signals indicators are negative, and we believe that this will affect on the development for the next days and maybe possible weeks. However, over time, we think that today's level holds a possible buying opportunity and that the price will be higher during or at the end of this 3-month period. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a hold accumulate to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, July 18th, we expect QQQ to open up $2.32 and start trading at $484.09. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.